For today, we are going to choose the rice cooker as our group assignment, which are the related of the electrical related parts or renewable generation models. So this is our slide from group 5. For our family members, there are 5 of us. The first one is Sri Shavindran, anak lelaki Subramaniam. The second one is Salfizatul Hafifah binti Saudi. The number three is myself, Eric Bugin, anak Awang. And number four, Chin Yi Hong. And the last member is Chong Wei Jun.
Hi, I will present about the introduction of Autocad. As we all know that Autocad is a widely used computer aided design, or in short form called as CAD, software developed by the Autodesk. Uh, it is widely used in various industries, including architectures, engineers, construction, manufacturing, and product design. AutoCAD provides a lot of set of tools and functionalities that enable users to create, modify, and document in the form of 2D and 3D design with precision, precision and efficiency. As I said, that AutoCAD has a lot of key features and capabilities such as drawing and drafting, 3D modeling, collaboration and documentation, customization and optimization, integration and interpretability. Plus, it also used in various applications such as in architecture. For example, architect use AutoCAD to create precise and detailed architecture plan, floor layout, elevation, and section. Taking another example, engineers also use AutoCAD to design mechanical components, electrical system, piping layout, and structural element. It also help in analyzing and simulating design before actual implementation. So it can be said that AutoCAD support the creation of 3D models and technical drawings for product design and manufacturing process. It enables prototyping, simulation, and manufacturing documentation. What I can conclude that AutoCAD is a versatile CAD software that has been revolutionized the design and drafting process across various industries, and it is also powerful tools and precious measurement, 3D modeling capabilities, collaboration features, and etc. For a professional seeking to create visualize and communicate their design ideas efficiently in a software. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so for this part, I'm going to explain about model layout and model dimension, 3D model line arrangement in AutoCAD, orthographic and sectional view in AutoCAD, exploded drawing, extrude, function of AutoCAD, advantage of AutoCAD, rice cooker background and demand for the rice cooker. So for the mod layout, as we know, it is the workspace that we design and we can develop our 2D or 3D. And in this case, we can develop our 3D as in the rice cooker itself. So for the model dimension, it is the method that are used to adding the dimension to your design in the model layout is referred to adding a model dimension in AutoCAD. So for number two, 3D model line arrangement in AutoCAD. It is using command 3D modeling, snap and grid setting, and other feature. So for the C, orthographic and sectional view in AutoCAD. For the orthographic, it is to show the object that we make from others' perspective without any problem. For example, from SE view or NE view. So for the exploded drawing, it is the we can separate the drawing by each part and component. So for extrude, we can extrude the 2D to the 3D drawing. So for the function of AutoCAD, there are a few functions that we listed. For example, the 2D drafting, then the AutoCAD offer capabilities for building intricate 3D models, and also it being used to rendering and visualization. Okay, so for the advantage of AutoCAD, they are draw to scale. For example, we can draw the object that we want and to the size that we want to produce. So for the Number two is draw accurately. So we can draw, for example, we can draw the rice cooker to the exact same size and the same object that we want to produce later on. Other other than that is make change easily and reduce risk of error. For this one, we can erase and we can add the properties that we want without we need to do it from the scratch one more time. So for the rice cooker background, in the Taisho era, 1912 until 1926 is the beginning of the development of the electric rice cooker in the Japan. So other than that, in the 1923, the rice cooker was invented. It a very simple industrial model was released by a business by the name of Mitsubishi Electric. So a multi-cooker was even used by the Japanese in the war around 10 years later. But domestic rice cooker was still decades away. It was difficult because some starch in Japanese rice and the Japanese community prefer the rice uh, to be exactly what they want, and they are very finicky about their rice. So for the demand of the rice cooker, according to the website that we research, it is estimated that in the 2032, it is the sale will be exceed 6.11 billion US dollar, and by the end of 2022, it has exceeded 3.38 billion US dollar. So that's all from my part.
Next, I will present about our objective and the scopes of our group project. First of all, our objective is to create an comprehensive technical drawing of a rice cooker. Secondly, we have to draw expert drawing which involve internal and the external components of the rice cooker. And number three is creating a clear visualization of rice cooker, attention to the details where it can be valuable reference for manufacturers in future. Then, for our scope is based on these six criteria, which is rice cooker body, inner cooking pot, lid and hinges, control panel and indicators, power cord and plugs, ventilation system, measurement markings, and also a detailed annotation and dimension in the expert drawing. And I will detail it inch by inch for each scopes. For the first one, where for the rice cooker body, designing is based on designing the outer structure of the rice cooker, consider its shape, size, and the material, and also incorporating features such as control panels, handles, and also indicator on the body of the rice cooker. Next, which is inner cooking pot, is creating a detailed drawing of the inner cooking pot, including its dimension, shape, and material composition, to ensuring compatibility and proper fitting with the rice cooker body. Beside this, lid and hinges is was considering also about its shape and material composition, and creating hinges that allow the lid to open and close smoothly. Next, about control panel indicators, we have to design the control panel with various button, knobs, or if additionally we have to add some touch sensitive controls to operate the rice cooker, incorporating indicators such as LED lights and also LCD display to show cooking modes, time, and the temperature as well. Next, about the power cords and plug, we have including the power cord and plug in the design to ensuring that they are properly positioned and for easy access and safely. In addition, ventilation system is to release steam during the cooking process. Designing vents or opening to ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating from the rice cooker. And last but not least, measurement markings and also detail annotation and dimension in export drawing. We have add some marking to the inner cooking pot to indicate the appropriate water rice ratio. For example, if it is 1 liter, uh, then we will have to label the 1 liter line to the inside of the pot. And in order, we have to show that there's a various of sizes. We have drawn expert drawing, and also we have add some annotation and dimension to the drawings. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, we move to methodology. Firstly, define design requirement. First, we determine the capacity of the dimension of a rice cooker. Then, number two, gather reference material. Uh, we collect image and technical specification for the existing rice cooker for our reference. Number three, we sketch the initial concept. We create a rough hand sketches of the rice cooker. Then number four, create a new AutoCAD drawing. We're using AutoCAD for create a new 2D drawing file. Then we set the appropriate unit and scale for the drawing. Number five, draw the outer shell. We start by drawing the basic shape of the rice cooker. Outer shell using lines and and using lines, arc and polylines. Number six, design internal component. We create a separate AutoCAD drawing for the heating element, thermostat, inner port, and other component. Number seven, assemble component. We import the individual component drawing into the main rice cooker drawing. Then add necessary annotation. Number eight, it include the dimension, labels, and annotation. Number six, review and modify. We review the entire design for accuracy, completeness, and aesthetic. Then number 10, generate technical documentation. We produce technical drawing, include different view, which is front, side, top, and exploded views, and and assembly instruction. Lastly, export and share. So that's all for methodology.
So for this design, we include six design for the rice cooker. And as you can see, there is a lid, the switches, the rice cooker itself. And we screenshot the process for us to make the rice cooker to be explained later on the video that will be attached later on. So we are using some methods such as revolve that create the same object, and we're going to use the fillet and the other stuff. So after that we'll be combined it, and we're going to extract, and we're going to use the exploded design to show the design from being attached from one another.
So here is our product, our final product. As you can see, the 3D view, top and front and left view for our final product. We also attach the link below for our drawing process of our rice cooker. Next, I will present for our design process. The slideshow shows a mind map about the journey of our project from the beginning until we submit the final product. First of all, we choose the design by selecting the right part of the prototype of electrical related parts or renewable generation model by using 3D model in AutoCAD. Next, we contacted Dr. Ely for the confirmation of our model, which is rice cooker. Then, after our design got accepted, we proceed by dividing specific tasks for each members. After that, we continue to design our model by using AutoCAD and using Canva for mind mapping the process. Lastly, we use Canva again to make our project and slide presentation.
I will conclude our entire project where we are requested to do a drawing by using AutoCAD software, and we have chosen rice cooker as our drawing because it represents of a lot of functionality, component, and demand in our market. By utilizing AutoCAD's powerful drafting tools, engineers and designers can create an accurate and detailed technical drawing that serve as a valuable reference for various purposes. So in this case, the rice cooker drawing showcase the exterior shell, control panel, inner pot, heating mechanism, and lid among other components. It is accurate represent their dimension, placement, and features, enable manufacturing engineers and designers to analyze, improve, or customize rice cooker that we have done with the precisions. By utilizing AutoCAD capabilities, this project ensure accuracy and efficiency to industry standard and, and clarity in the technical drawing. It also serves as a blueprint, uh, in another word, in the layout for manufacturer to understand the rice cooker structure, functional elements, and required specification. So I can say that the drawing also aid engineers in analyzing and optimizing the design for better performance, efficiency, and user experience. Additionally, the AutoCAD drawing of the rice cooker serves as a documentation for future reference, allowing easy replication, modification, or scaling of the design. It also provide it also provide mm, a visual representation of the rice cooker features and facilitators effective communication among design teams, manufacturer, and stakeholders. So this project enhanced the design and production process, enabling the creation of high quality of rice cooker that meet user expectation. Hence, I can conclude that the detailed technical drawing that we have served as a valuable tools for manufacturers, engineers, and designers, providing insight and guidance for the manufacturing, improvement, and customization of the rice cooker to meet the demand in our market in Malaysia. Thank you.